Hi, I'm Saksham, and as a BTech CC student, I have to open several LeetCode questions during my lectures. It would be fine if I already had LeetCode search page open, but most of the times that's not the case. So instead, I have to open a new tab, type 423 LC over it, get the irrelevant results, then refresh it to 423 LeetCode just to get the relevant ones, and then click on it. There were just too many clicks and steps, and thus Leetjump was born. With Leetjump, your new workflow looks like Alt plus L, enter ID or name, and hit enter. That's it. With it, you can even access problem of the day directly via help of slash commands. And oh boy, there are a lot of them. Also, it's lightning quick since it stores all the data locally in IndexDB and syncs that at regular interval of time. You can feel free to check out the code while you are at it because it's open source and start the repository. It's available on all the major browsers, so go give it a try and let me know your thoughts over it and give all of your suggestions and feedback that you might have in the comment section or just open a GitHub issue about it. And yeah, that's what Lead Jump is about. See you.